Hi everyone, Damian from Vanport Mechanical here. Today we are going to change a filter in a home. Now there are two general spots in a home where a filter can be located. Right above me there is a grate where your return is one place, or at your furnace. Today we are going to show how to change a filter through your return in the home. We'll do the furnace later on. First thing you want to do is turn your fan on. Now the reason why I'm turning my fan on is so that it sucks the filter up in here and keeps it in place while we lower this down. So we open it up, make sure not to lose these. And as you can see, the filter stays up here all nice and snug and does not fall on your head. We remove the filter. See how dirty it is? Pretty nasty. It's actually not that bad. Grab the new filter, and the first thing you want to do is put the date on it. The reason why we put the date on it is so that we know when it was changed, so that way we can keep track of how often we change the filters. Another thing you want to look at is the arrows right here. You always want to make sure the arrow is going up or facing the furnace. Now with the blower on, we can just put it right all up here and it gets stuck right back up in there, so you don't have to worry about holding it when you put it back up. Go ahead and put this back up, screw these back in, maybe, there we go. Now you can do one or two things. You can leave the blower on, which will continue to filter out your house, or you can turn your blower off. I am going to turn my blower off, and that concludes our video. Thank you for watching.